friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make papad ka sabzi. This is basically a Rajasthani dish. This is very unique and very tasty. So come on guys, I am making the papad ka sabzi and you check down the ingredients and the recipe. If you like the recipe, don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. To make papad ka sabzi, start to heat up a pan or a kadhai. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to it. When the oil gets heated up, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. After it starts to splutter, add few curry leaves, around 9 to 10, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want to make the sabzi more spicy. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste or grated ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and saute till the raw aroma diminishes. Add 1 bowl of onion finely chopped and saute till it starts to turn golden brown in color. To this add 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of garam masala and half to 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Just mix this well and then add a bowl of chopped tomatoes. Now cook till the tomato gets tender and it takes a paste-like consistency. It forms a paste-like consistency. At this very point, I'll also add salt to taste. Just keep in mind, papad too has salt, so be careful while adding salt. You can make this sabzi with any flavored papad. If you're using garlic flavored papad, so you can skip or reduce the quantity of garlic paste. To this, add a glass or glass and half of water and let it boil now. And after that, I'll add the papads into it. Papads here you can see I have broken it into triangle shape, roughly into triangle shape. That is, you just go on folding it into half and you get this small pieces of papad. Now here into the dish, to the papad ka sabzi, some sweet is also added, maybe sugar or gur, like 1 tablespoon of sugar, a small piece of jaggery. So here I have skipped that because many people don't like sweet vegetable. So again here I am giving a twist with half zest of lemon juice, that is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice I am adding to it. Now here when the water starts to boil, add the pieces of papad one by one, because if you add the whole quantity in one go, then all will stick to each other and then it will not get cooked properly. So add one by one. Keep stirring in between. So again I'll start adding the papad pieces. Now here I have added all the papads to the gravy. Now I'll simmer it for about 5 minutes till the gravy becomes a bit thick. So here the papad ka sabzi is ready. You can make it more dry, but for me this gravy, this consistency is perfect. Now here I'll garnish with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Just mix it well. And papad ka sabzi is ready to serve. Have it with chapatis or puris or parathas. It will taste delicious. I hope you must have liked this video. See you in the next episode with one more delicious recipes or delicacies on the plate. Till then, bye bye.